Hello children, what day is it today? Is it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday or Sunday? And let's think about the month of the year. We are in spring. We know it because some days it's very sunny, some days it's rainy. This is typical in spring. Some days it's hot, some days it's cold, some days it's cool, that you studied the other day. And today is cloudy and rainy in my house. Today, when I'm recording this session, it's Thursday. But you will see the session on Friday. And some of you will see the session on the weekend, I don't know. Well, let's think about the month of the year. Let's remember the months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Okay, we are in April. The other day we were talking about mammals. We are talking about vertebrate animals. Remember, vertebrate animals have a vertebral column, a vertebrae here, a bone at the back. This bone, okay? The other day we were talking about mammals, and today we are going to talk about birds. But before we go to talk about birds, let's remember some characteristics of mammals. So just a quick revision. Mammals have the body covered with, very good, you could say hair or you could say fur. Very good. They have a backbone. Very good. They have a backbone. They give birth to live young. They give birth to babies. And very important characteristic is that mammals drink milk from their mother. Mothers give them milk. The milk will be here. You see the cups here, and the milk is going to be there. And they drink milk from the mother. So you and me, we are mammals. Okay, today we are going to go and talk about birds. Well, what do we need? We need a pencil, we need an eraser, maybe a pencil sharpener, I don't know, but your pencil should be ready and sharpened. And you need colors. Today you need your colors. So it's very important that you have either crayons or color pencils or markers, whatever you prefer. Before we start, we are going to think, are birds vertebrate or invertebrate? So do they have a backbone or they don't have a backbone? What do you think? Well, I tell you, birds are vertebrate. They have a backbone. Okay, so we have mammals, birds, fish, amphibians, and reptiles. And we have studied mammals. Today we are going to study birds. Okay. How many legs do they have? Do they have 4 legs like most mammals? Or do they have 2 legs? Very good. They have 2 legs because they have 2 wings. Okay, I'm going to read the text here and then you are going to listen and repeat. Let's go. Birds have wings, legs, and a beak. Their bodies are covered with feathers. Birds lay eggs. These are eggs, okay? So now you listen and repeat. Birds have wings, legs, and a beak. Their bodies are covered with feathers. Birds lay eggs. Okay, let's see if we remember these words. Birds have, very good, wings. They have a, fantastic, beak. Their bodies are covered with feathers. Well done. And they lay eggs. That's it. Okay, if we look at this bird, we see the beak. Listen and repeat. Beak, wing, wing, leg, leg. Very, very important. Most birds, not all of them, but most of them, most birds can fly. Okay? Is it walk? No. Is it run? No. Is it climb? No. It's fly. With their wings, they fly. Okay. Listen and repeat. Most birds can fly. Well done. Okay. Let's go to the first activity, which is activity number 2, and you need to color. So you need your colors, okay? I'm going to read this for the last time so that you remember. Birds have wings, legs, and a beak. Their bodies are covered with feathers. Birds lay eggs. They have a beak, a leg, and wings. Most birds can fly. Well done. Let's go to activity 2. Everybody, we are at page 72. Remember, 72. You have to trace with your pencil, 72. And now we are going to read and color. Read and color. If you have to pause the video, to stop the video, to color because you didn't have time, just go and play pause and the video will stop and you can keep on coloring, okay? We have 3 birds. 3 birds. The owl, the flamingo, and the parrot. Everybody listen and repeat. Owl, flamingo, parrot. Well done. Okay. The owl has brown feathers. Brown feathers. Its beak is black. Okay, so what colors do we need? We need 2 colors. Brown and black. Brown and black. Brown for the feathers. Brown for the feathers. And black for the beak. Listen and repeat. The owl has brown feathers. its beak is black. So we are going to color the owl brown, and we are going to color the beak black. You see? Black. Come on, I give you 1 minute or two to color it, okay? I'm going to prepare for the next bird, but you can keep on coloring. The flamingo has pink feathers. Its beak is black. Okay, listen and repeat. The flamingo has pink feathers. Its beak is black. Okay, what color are the feathers? They are pink. So we are going to color the flamingo pink. Okay? And what color is the beak, which is quite big? It's quite big. It's black. So we are going to color the beak black. Come on. And I'm going to prepare for the parrot, but you keep on coloring. If you haven't finished, don't worry, you pause the video, you keep on coloring, and then you play the video again. Don't worry. Okay, number 3. The parrot has blue and red feathers. Its beak is black. Listen and repeat. The parrot has blue and red feathers. Its beak is black. Okay, so we have blue, red for the body, okay? So you have to color the body blue and red. Blue and red. For example, you can color the wing blue and the body red, or as you prefer, okay? That's not a big deal. And the beak is curved. Is it straight? No, it's curved. The beak is black. Okay? Well, now you finished coloring. Everybody, let's go to page 73. 73. We don't have the stickers because we have the stickers in our classroom in a team, remember? So we are going to draw with our pencil. Draw with your pencil, okay? Because we don't have stickers, I'm sorry. Okay, so instead of placing the stickers for the birds, we are going to draw the missing parts and we are going to circle. I'm going to tell you first we are going to do this part, and then when we finish this part, you read and you finish the activity. Okay. The bird has a yellow or a black beak. What do you think? Well, this bird is going to have a yellow beak. So everybody with your pencil, you circle yellow. Circle yellow. And now, we are going to draw a yellow beak. A yellow, look, the color, a yellow beak. A yellow beak. So if you want, you can cross out black. That's optional. It's up to you, okay? It has red wings or green wings. What do you think? Red or green? Well, if the bird is red, the wings in general are going to be red. So we circle red. Circle red. Let's go to the second one. So we have to draw the red wings. The red wings. I'm going to show you the color red, and with this color we are going to do the wings. This is the tail. Here we have a wing, and here we have the other wing. Okay? One wing and two wings. Fantastic. And remember, the beak is yellow. Yellow. Okay. Let's go to the second one. Bird. This bird has a yellow or black beak. Yellow or black? I tell you, it's black. So we circle, circle, black. This bird has a black beak. And with black, we are going to draw and color. Okay. Finished? Let's go to the second part, the wings. It has red wings or green wings. What do you think? Yes, it has green wings. Green wings. Green wings. It's more this green that I have here is this one. Green wings. Okay, so you have to draw one wing here because this is the tail, another wing here, and the beak is going to be black. Okay, this beak is going to be yellow, this beak is going to be black, these wings are going to be red, and these wings are going to be green. Fantastic. Okay. Let's go to activity number 4, which is a listening. So you have to listen very careful, and then when we finish the listening, we will correct. Ready? Let's go. Ready? We have 5 animals. We have a hen. Listen and repeat. Hen. Eagle. Duck. I'm sorry that you cannot see the head, but if you see the head, you cannot see the words here, so I'm sorry. But you have it in your book. Penguins and owls. Hens, eagles, ducks, penguins, and owls. Okay. I'm going to read it and you circle. And if you make a mistake, you erase and you do it again. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Hens, number 1. Hens can't fly. Number 1. Hens can't fly. Number 2. Eagles can fly. Eagles can fly. Number 3. Ducks can fly. Ducks can fly. Number 4. Penguins can't fly. Penguins can't fly. And number 5. Owls can fly. Owls can fly. So let's do it. Hens can't fly. So it's this one. Can't. We circle can't. Did you do it right or wrong? Well, I hope you did it right. Can't. Eagles can. So we circle can. Ducks can. So we circle can. Penguins can't. So we circle can't. And owls can. So we circle can. I repeat. Number 1, can't. Number 2, can. Yes. Number 3, can. Number 4, can't. And number 5, can. Well, we have studied mammals and we have studied birds. Remember, birds have a beak, they have wings, they have the body covered with feathers, and they lay eggs. You will study in the future that animals that lay eggs are called oviparous. Oviparous. Bye bye. See you next session.